Welcome to dptutorials. In this tutorial, let us see how to count the text in Excel. First case, let us count the cells containing only text in this data range. Go to cell C10, enter the formula as equals to COUNTIF, open the parenthesis, select the range as A4 to D8, comma, in the inverted quotes, give the asterisk, close the parenthesis, and press enter to see the result as 5, which is exactly the right answer. Similarly, you can get the same result by using the sum product function, like this. In cell D10, enter the formula as equals to sum product, open the parenthesis, minus is text, open the parenthesis, select the range as A4 to D8, close the parenthesis and again close it, and press enter to see the same result as 5. If you want to count the cells which contain other than text, you need to go to cell C12 and enter the formula as equals to COUNTIF, open the parenthesis, select the range, comma, in the inverted quotes, give the parameter as other than asterisk, close the inverted quotes and close the parenthesis, and press enter to see the result as 15, which is exactly the right one. Next, let us count the number of characters in a cell, say A4. Go to cell C14, enter the formula as equals to len, open the parenthesis, select the cell A4, close the parenthesis, and press enter to see the result as 5, as Durga is the 5-letter word. Okay. Next, let us count the number of words of cell A5. Go to cell C16, enter the formula as equals to len, open the parenthesis, select A5 cell, close the parenthesis, minus len, open the parenthesis, substitute, open the parenthesis, select the cell A5, comma, the inverted quotes, give space, close the inverted quotes, comma, inverted quotes, close the parenthesis and plus 1, and press enter to see the result as 3, as cell A5 has got exactly 3 words. Understood? So that's all about counting cells with text in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.